right now, your exquisite kiss still burning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. So today we're going to be checking out this cute baby right here. This is the Sensationnel Butta Lace Unit 1 and I have her in the color 1B. It was sent to me from SAMSBEAUTY. Let's just get right into her. So this is what the store card looks like in case you're wondering, and I have her in the color 1B. I think I already mentioned that. And this unit also comes in other colors as well. And we have information about the wig in the store card, of course. This wig claims to have a virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5 deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair, natural density hairline, and all of that good stuff. So moving on to the specs of the wig, this is what she looks like straight out of the pack. She comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. And the hairline looks pretty decent too. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation, my powder, and style this unit, and I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts.
Stayed over this surface, now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're the reason. You're the reason. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I would. Kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're the rising. You're the rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm bothering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have, and I must say that I really love this one, you guys. Can you guys see that lace? It blended so nice with my skin, and this is so beautiful. This is just so beautiful. It laid down nicely. It did come with baby hairs though, but I don't like baby hairs in my unit. I don't use them, so I just took some out and then I just brushed the rest of the back, and that was pretty much it. I don't think you can wear this one without laying it down though. I tried to do that and the front was just bumpy. It wasn't laying down flat. Maybe I have a small head, I actually don't know. Anyways, it wasn't laying flat, so I had to glue it down, and yes, this turned out so nice, you guys. And to tint my my lace, I used my powder and I went in with that Maybelline foundation that I showed you guys earlier. Is it shade or two darker than me? So I just used a little bit of that, and this is what we have. And I must say, lay down nicely, you guys. I keep checking myself out because what? This unit is so cute, and I did experience a little bit of shedding with this one. It wasn't anything too crazy, just a few strands that was coming off, but there was no tangling whatsoever. But brushing her, I did experience a few sheddings here and there, but nothing too crazy, nothing to stop you from getting this unit. And I don't think I mentioned that she's a left part wig. She can't be worn any other way besides the style that you already have going on, the left part style that we already have going on. So yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say about this one. I'm going to have the direct link to this wig in the description box, so if you're interested, you'll find it there. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy. Drop comments, let me know what you feel about this one, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.